have three kids. All of them studying in a happy school. I'm very happy that like my kids are like in this school. They are very active and they are happy on their academic. Yeah. So I don't want them to be pressurized in the classes and the academic way. I want them to be happy learning. So this school is very up for me. So and then it's a kind of very good environment here. So I like the way my kids are studying and be in the class. Yeah, being in the happy school.
Nowadays I can see like kids are more forced to academics only. So I don't want that kind of school. Yeah, I definitely want them to be good in academics, but at the same way they should be like exposed to all other physical activities or like any other competitions or like anything which is not like related to academics. I'm not sure like whether my kids are like will participate in all of them, but at least I just want them to be exposed to, they can choose what they want to do. So I thought like this school is perfect for me. So yeah, I'm happy with the way they are like doing it. Yeah.
This is a corona period, this pandemic period. Even they are like be on time in the class, like they want to be like participate in the class and they want to be like sharing with people. Before pandemic period, it was a whole different level for them. They always be on time. They will be like 6 o'clock, they will be like, wait, I want to go to school. Like I see that somehow like something driven them to make it go to school. So that environment I like it. I don't want push my child to say, okay, you have to go to school, you have to go to school. I never did that. So they are always like, even my younger child, she is in pre-KG when I put her in, she is kind of very happy. I want to go to school, I want to meet my friends, I want to meet my teachers. So they are up to their mark, yes.
Now it is different since it is online. So but like earlier they are like taking them to farms. So this kind of visits also are there, like so that like they can like see like everything like practically and learn like. So that's that kind of things like the school is doing a lot. So even they are taking them to zoo and make them understand, like they are like trying to relate that with their academics. So yes, I'm happy the way like they are like teaching them like instead of just like classroom studies. Yeah, they are taking them to libraries and also they are giving importance to like every practical things. I choose this kind of school because they just like go behind their aspiration, not like because like I'm telling you need to do this, you can select this. So instead of that, like I want them to like that is the quality I expect from them. So this is what I want to do, this is what I need, that's what I expect from them. So my son, like he has more like interest towards the solar system, planets and all. He wants to be an astronaut, that's what he told. So maybe like it is like beyond what I was thinking. When I was thinking, I was just like limited to I want to be a software engineer, but now he is thinking beyond that. Like so, I want him like to go towards that. Like that's what.
I used to raise a complaint or suggestions. I can directly do that. Otherwise, I can directly go to the principal room and then raise the complaint. I never did it. It never happened to me. Probably my wife might have something.
Yeah, the only one concern I think like I keep like saying every time to the teachers, and like only thing is like anyway like we will be like more we have some affinity towards our mother tongue, right? So that is the thing. Like I know like since we have chosen Cambridge syllabus, we cannot like have a like good amount of like academics in their mother tongue, but I just that want to be like improved. Maybe like they can like little more syllabus, they can like widen the syllabus when they are like growing up. So that is the only thing I want. Yeah, other than that I'm very happy with it.